Think you know the world? Here are 5 geography facts that will mess with your map-loving brain. 1. There's a town where the border literally runs through people's homes. Welcome to Barley, where Belgium and the Netherlands overlap like puzzle pieces. 2. Guess which country has the most lakes? Nope, not Finland. It's Canada, with over 2 million lakes. It holds 60% of the world's total. 3. Did you know the biggest desert isn't hot? It's frozen. Antarctica gets less rain than the Sahara. It's Earth's largest cold desert. 4. Want to walk from Asia to Europe? Just visit Istanbul, Turkey. The Bosphorus Bridge lets you cross 2 continents in minutes. 5. France's longest land border isn't even in Europe. It's in South America, thanks to French Guiana. It borders Brazil for over 730 kilometers. Subscribe at The Fellow Learner for more geography facts your textbooks forgot to tell you.